Hello everybody, Joe here, and happy Tuesday. So today's video is a tiny tidy. I originally was going to do this tiny tidy in my room, but I have some paperwork in there that has some information I cannot share online. Personal information I cannot share online. So today we will be unloading the dishwasher. And so this tiny tidy is hosted by my friend Melinda at Melinda Plain and Simple. So I'll have her channel and the playlist for this week linked in my description box below. And let's get tidying. As you can see, clean dishes. So let's get all this put away. So what are you guys tidying? Next thing, push the button. No, it's fine. Okay. So what are you guys tidying? What are you doing? How's life going? Love to know. Some of you may have noticed that I was kind of dropped off the map, basically, for a couple weeks. And that's because I have had a lot going on. And I honestly still have a lot going on, but I'm finally in a place where I can film again, which I'm very happy about. But yeah, no, it was, for a while there, I just needed a break because it's just, what's going on right now is a lot, and I plan on going live today and explaining it. So okay, we got the first rack almost of the dishwasher almost put away. So yay us. Let's see. Has anybody got any fun plans for Christmas? I don't really have any crazy fun plans. Where does this go? I think this goes here. I should ask my friend about it. Ask him about it. Are you guys going anywhere? Are you going to be home for Christmas? I'm going to be home for Christmas. I'm not going anywhere. So. And if you watched the video I put out yesterday. You'll see I decorated for Christmas. And honestly, I'm going to say mostly decorated, because there are a couple of things I would still like to do to decorate for Christmas in my room. So, like, I'm waiting for it to arrive in the mail, but I think I mentioned it in yesterday's video, but another family member got me another nutcracker, and so I plan on having, when that arrives, putting that out for Christmas. And seeing how it is now, I definitely still want to find and get Christmas prints to change out from my normal prints that are in the frame. So just a couple little tweaks to make it really festive. And just like that, the dishwasher is unloaded, everyone. So I'll show you what it looks like. See? Empty, empty, empty. So I just gotta put these two things away and we will be done. See, put them all. But yeah. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this tiny tidy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Loves. Bye. Oh yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.